Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make fish skin broth. Start by rinsing skins and trimming fatty bits, then blanch quickly to remove impurities. Transfer skins to a pot with cold water, add aromatics like onion, celery, and a strip of kombu or kelp. Simmer very gently for 45–90 minutes to preserve clarity and gelatin. Strain through a fine mesh, cool quickly, and refrigerate for up to 3 days or freeze for longer. For balanced flavor, use mild aromatics and low heat to keep the broth clear and silky. A small piece of kombu adds umami without turning the broth fishy, while whole peppercorns and bay leaf add subtle depth. Taste near the end and adjust with a splash of acid like lemon or rice vinegar to brighten the flavor, adding salt sparingly since concentration increases as it reduces. Cool quickly to lock texture. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy cooking from digital recipes, the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading in the kitchen because it's glare-free and holds thousands of cookbooks. It's light enough to prop up and wipe clean, and the adjustable warm light helps evening prep without harsh glare. If you like this tip, please subscribe and like to support more useful content. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. Fish skin broth is versatile and lifts seafood soups, risottos, and sauces with concentrated flavor and natural gelatin. Store in airtight containers in the fridge for up to 3 days or freeze in ice cube trays or 2-cup portions for easy use. After chilling, remove the hardened fat for a cleaner finish and longer storage. Label containers with date and use within a few months for best flavor and safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.